Hi friends, today I will create a column that changes the graphical detailing based on the detail level settings. The three detail levels are coarse, medium and fine, and I will create two different columns, one for coarse and one for medium and fine. So when changing from coarse to fine, the geometrical display of the column also changes. Like this. Let's get started by opening up the profile family. Here I will create the course type. If you want to see how I created this column, watch my full structural column tutorial linked in the description. I have now saved the 2D profile of the column. Currently it reflects the medium and fine detail levels. The version I saved will represent the coarse level of the column's detail. And by the coarse, I really want it to be less detailed, so to make it coarse, I will remove the radius on the edges of this profile, making the edges sharp and less detailed. I will proceed by connecting the edges with the Trim Extend tool and load the profile into the column family I created earlier. I'm now standing in the column family where there is an existing column. This column represents the medium and fine detail levels. I will now create a new column in the exact same place where the existing column is, but the new column will have the coarse profile I just created. I use the sweep tool with the profile and lock the edges of the sketch path to the upper and lower reference levels. And there we have it, our two different columns. One represents the medium and fine detail levels, the other coarse. They are not the same size yet, but when I now connect the nested parameters to the column parameters, the two columns inside this family will always have the same numerical values and same size, since both of the nested profiles are connected to the same parameters in the parent family, which is the structural column family. Beautiful, they are now the same size. Let's just align them in the same place, so they are on top of each other. So now is where the magic happens, where I assign each column its respective detail level settings. I select one of the columns, open the Properties menu, and navigate to the Visibility Graphics Overrides section. This brings up the Family Element Visibility settings for the selected column. At the bottom, I can see all three detail levels checked. I uncheck the boxes for the medium and fine detail levels, which means that when this column is loaded into the main Revit project, it will be invisible if the detail level is set to medium or fine. This column will only appear when the detail level is set to coarse. Now I select the more detailed column, open the same settings box and remove the check for the coarse detail level. Hit OK and then go to a 3D view for some flexing. Turn on the preview visibility mode, where I can observe how the family will behave in the Revit main project when changing the parameters. In our case, I will only edit the detail level. Looks absolutely amazing. I will then load it into the project for some more flexing. And that concludes this tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.